Valcon Corporation Review 2025 Legit Company or Caution for Buyers. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming all companies with an online presence are automatically trustworthy. The surprising truth is that Valcon Corporation appears legitimate, but buyer and investor caution is advised. Valcon offers industrial and tech products, with services spanning consulting and solutions for energy, infrastructure and software. You won't believe how broad their portfolio is, covering multiple sectors with seemingly professional operations. However, research shows mixed reviews regarding delivery timelines and customer service responsiveness. Some buyers report delays or unclear support channels. The surprising truth is that even legitimate companies can have operational inefficiencies that affect user experience. Before engaging, verify contracts, read reviews, and confirm licensing or certifications if relevant. For purchasing or investing, start with small transactions to gauge reliability. In conclusion, Valcon Corporation is a real company with legitimate offerings, but caution is advised. Focus on due diligence research and small-scale engagement to ensure smooth transactions and avoid surprises.